Airfoil is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the design and production of specialized components for various applications. Airfoils are typically used in the aerospace and automotive industries to improve the performance of engines and turbines. These components are designed to optimize the flow of air or other fluids, which can increase efficiency and reduce energy consumption. Airfoils are also used in wind turbines to generate electricity from wind power. The process of designing and manufacturing airfoils involves a combination of advanced engineering techniques and precision manufacturing processes. Computer-aided design, CAD, software is used to create detailed models of the airfoil, which are then used to create molds or another tooling for production. The manufacturing process typically involves the use of high-precision machining equipment, such as CNC machines, to create the final product. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom components for a wide range of industries, including aerospace, automotive, and energy. The company has extensive experience in the design and production of airfoils and has worked with many leading companies in these industries to develop innovative solutions for their specific needs. If you are interested in learning more about airfoil design and manufacturing, or if you have a specific project that requires the expertise of a company like Berkness, you can visit the Contact Us page on the company's website to get in touch with their team. They can provide you with more information about their capabilities and services, and can work with you to develop a customized solution that meets your specific needs. With their expertise and experience, you can be confident that your project will be completed to the highest standards of quality and precision. FAQs. 1. What is an airfoil and how is it used in manufacturing? An airfoil is a shape designed to produce lift when air flows over it. In manufacturing, airfoils are commonly used in the production of aircraft wings, turbine blades, and other aerodynamic components. The shape of the airfoil is carefully designed to optimize lift and minimize drag, which is critical for efficient and safe operation. 2. What materials are commonly used to manufacture airfoils? Airfoils can be made from a variety of materials, depending on the specific application. Common materials include aluminum, titanium, composites, and various alloys. The choice of material will depend on factors such as strength, weight, and cost, as well as the specific requirements of the application. 3. How are airfoils manufactured? Airfoils can be manufactured using a variety of techniques, including casting, forging, and machining. The specific manufacturing process will depend on the material being used, the complexity of the design, and other factors. For example, casting is often used for complex shapes, while machining may be used for simpler designs. Quality control is critical in airfoil manufacturing, as even small variations in shape or surface finish can have a significant impact on performance.